Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Vuyokazi posts this picture where she's looking so cute in her orange number and she's with her daughter Vuyokazi. Guys, they look so happy and they look so peaceful. Vuyokazi is wearing her bling bling ring there. Looking good, guys. She's looking good, guys. I couldn't help but notice that the background that she was actually shooting in this picture, the background that I'm actually seeing here is actually the same background that she actually had when she was getting engaged. So I am guessing, guys, that Vuyokazi is still at home, still living at home at her mother's house. Um, and we all know, guys, that there was this whole thing where Umpumelelo came out and said his children, Tonton, are being taken away from him. And all he wants his children to know is that he loves them and he never abandoned them and whatnot. I actually think that Umhlopekazi has been with Vuyokazi and her family for quite a while. When I saw this picture, I actually started thinking of the pictures that we've been seeing of Vuyokazi with Umhlopekazi. And it's actually been a while, way before Umpumelelo actually even posted a status, or way before we actually even knew about the engagement and all of that. So I think it has been a while. Or maybe Izinto just got confirmed later on when Mpumelelo was talking about it. But I've noticed that with the pictures she's been posting with Umhlopekazi, it was way before even the engagement. But anyway, you guys, it looks like Mama Bear is reunited with her bears, with her kids, and it looks like her girl seems happy. I mean, she's got a man, guys, a man like who, like Lerato Hanyaho. Lerato Hanyaho's man, one thing he will do is stand up for his women. So I guess Roland is the same. I mean, he's willing to sue people who are willing to, tarnish or willing to want to get famous through his marriage. So I guess that is a symbol that not only is he trying to protect himself, but he's trying to protect his woman as well. But hey, guys, there you have it. You know what? I am happy. As long as she is happy. Well, I'm happy that she seems like she's in a good state. And I don't know what that even means, guys, because I don't know if you're able to tell if people are in a good state from a picture. But from this picture, her and her daughter look extremely happy. And you know what? For that, we're going to say halala to them. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Tell me what you think about this. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.